When I started gardening, herbs was the first plants that I learned to plant. I just love herbs. They give wonderful flavor to food, and many of them you can use in natural remedies. The big advantage of planting my own herbs is that I've got control over the quality, and fresh herbs is obviously best. Today I'm not going to go into all the benefits and all the uses of the herbs. This video is merely to show you the big variety that I'm growing. It's now winter in South Africa, so we've got stinging nettle that just comes up everywhere in the garden. This is a herb that you can add to your salads and your soups and stews. It's very nutritious. Thyme is one of my favorite herbs. Gives an absolutely wonderful flavor to my food. I've also got oregano you can use as a natural remedy. It's quite a potent one. You can use it for steam inhalations if you don't have oregano essential oils. Comfrey is a miracle herb. It's not something that I really eat, but it's something that you can make poultices from. It's also known as bone knit because it can just speed up bone healing. You can dry it or you can put it also in your compost bins. That's what I do. It just adds to the quality of my compost. In the winter the leaves they die away, but your plant is still alive. At least once a year I divide all my comfrey plants. Just take a spade, I split it in half, and then I replant it somewhere else in my garden. Rosemary is also easy grower, gives amazing flavor to food. Spekboom is also a plant. It's not a herb. Very high in vitamin C, so it is something that you can add to your salads and your food dishes, and I've also added it to desserts. You get a variety of wormwoods. I don't even know the one that's currently in my garden. Good herb when it comes especially to healing properties, and it's also well known for treating parasites. Fennel is classified as a herb and a vegetable. The greens at the tops is a herb. It also gives amazing flavors to juices and food. Wild garlic you can use in your cooking and preparing of food, but it also works well in your garden to repel any pests. Loofah is one of the most exciting plants that I planted. You can eat them fresh, but why I'm adding it to this video is because of the functionality that you can use it as sponges in your kitchen and in your bathroom, and I will put a link into a video that I recently made. Bloody sorrel, add to your salads. Just important not to have too much of them, but they're very good for your kidneys. We all know chamomile tea, and it's also a beautiful plant. Marjoram is another of my favorite herbs that I love to use in cooking. Stevia is a healthy sugar substitute, and when you grow it in your garden, the taste is far better than buying the white powder or stevia liquid. Parsley is definitely a must for every gardener. Turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory plant, and it gives color to your dishes, and it's really very good to protect your body against inflammation. Dill is definitely my all-time favorite herb. It is a herb that you can sow from seed. It's very easy to plant, and the flavor of dill is just amazing. I love to put it in my cashew mayonnaise, but it's something that you can add to any dish. Basil is definitely a must for any herb lover's garden. It gives amazing flavor to foods. Mint, also incredible. You can make your own mint tea just from brewing fresh mint leaves with some boiled water, and that is absolutely delicious. And also mint you can add to salads and desserts. Guava leaves, it's got a lot of healing properties. Nasturtiums, you can eat the leaves and the flowers, and they really look beautiful, especially under my fruit trees. I planted a lot of aloe barbadensis, what is also called the Cape aloe. They have a lot of medicinal properties and can be used for remedies like burn and also digestive discomfort. Aloe is very good for that because of the growth factor. So I planted a lot of Cape aloes in my garden. I recently made a video how you can use aloe for digestive issues, and I will just put a link into that. Sage is also a great addition to your herb collection. It gives great taste. Plantain is a wonderful medicinal plant. Grows as a weed, and I also took out a bit and put it in my veggie garden just to preserve it. And it is also something that you can chew and you can make a poultice. So it's got great medicinal properties. I hope today's video inspired you to start planting some of these herbs and functional plants in your garden. They're all easy growers and quite resistant to pests. What I have found is that adding fresh herbs to daily meals definitely contributed to more health and vitality. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did so, remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you want to stay tuned to the videos that I'm making, and remember, take care of your health. It's precious.